Hello everyone, I am Abhijeet from ACH Solutions. Today I will walk you through how SMEs and manufacturing businesses can close critical cybersecurity gaps, especially where IT meets OT, and how our approach makes this practical, cost effective, and future ready. Many SMEs think cybersecurity is only an IT problem. In reality, most companies face three common issues. First, outdated or fragmented IT security, different systems that don't talk to each other. Second, blind spots in OT and smart factory systems where production can be disrupted by even small attacks. And third, growing compliance pressure. Leaders need to meet ISO, NIST, or regulatory requirement but lack clear guidance. The challenges often combine, creating vulnerabilities that can halt growth. The impact is serious. Cyber attacks on SMEs have increased by more than 200% in just last 3 years. About 70% of OT breaches happen because IT and OT systems weren't integrated securely. And when compliance fails, companies face fines, reputational damage, and loss of customer trust. This isn't just about technology, it's about protecting business continuity and reputation. At ACH Solutions, we have developed a practical model to address this. It rests on three pillars. One is strategic leadership through our vCISO services, governance, and roadmaps that align security with business goals. Second, practical security, hands-on solution for IT/OT security and industrial environment that keep operations running. And third, compliance and resilience, ensuring frameworks like ISO 27001 and NIST are not just met but embedded into operation. Our goal is to bring enterprise grade expertise in a way that SMEs can actually adopt and benefit from. What makes us different? First, deep experience. Over a 17-year of experience in securing global IT and manufacturing plans. Second, our delivery model. Practical and cost effective, unlike the expensive big firm approach. And third, our perspective. We understand both boardroom priorities and shop floor realities, and the IT requirements and the compliance requirements. And moreover, with a small and medium enterprise, we work like their team, not just a vendor. This combination allows us to provide advice that is both strategic, practical, economical, and implementable. Let me share a quick example. A mid-sized manufacturer faced recurring downtime risk due to unsecured OT systems. We stepped in as their virtual CISO, implemented secure OT and ICS deployment, and built a governance model very much aligned to ISA 62443 compliance. And within months, they reduced their cyber risk exposures. The incidents related to cyber were reduced to over 60%, and they achieved the ISO compliance. This is the kind of measurable business driven impact that we delivered. Cybersecurity today is a boardroom issue, it's just not an IT issue. At ACS Solution, we help SMEs and manufacturers secure both their digital assets and smart factory environment. If you are looking to strengthen resilience, ensure compliance, and protect growth, we would be glad to be partnered with you. Let's secure your digital and smart factory future today. Thank you.